the teachers Hans Allerin, Paul Justine Basaliati, and lastly Sarah Nunez.
Welcome, math enthusiasts! In today's video, we're going to delve deep into the world of sequences and series. Specifically, we're going to explore arithmetic and geometric sequences, as well as their corresponding series. So grab your pencils and get ready to sharpen your math skills.
Today we'll discuss arithmetic sequence, arithmetic series, geometric sequence, and geometric series. Let's get started.
Arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This constant difference is called the common difference. For the formula we have a of n equals a of 1 plus n minus 1d. A of n represents the nth or last term of the sequence. A of 1 represents the first term in the sequence. N represents number of terms in the sequence, while d represents the common difference. So for our examples, example number 1. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence where the first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. So for our solution, using the formula we have, a of 10 equals 2 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by 3. A of 10 equals 2 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9, multiplied by 3. So a of 10 equals 2, 9 times 3 equals 27. Let's add 2 by 27. So 2 plus 27 equals 29. Therefore, the 10th term of the sequence is 29. So for our example 2, find the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence where the first term is 5 and the common difference is negative 2. So for our solution, using the formula we have, a of 20 equals 5 plus 20 minus 1 multiplied by negative 2. So a of 20 equals 5 plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 times negative 2. So 19 times negative 2 equals negative 38. 5 minus 38 equals negative 33. Therefore, the 20th term of the sequence is negative 33. For our last example, find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence if the 5th term is 15 and the 10th term is 30. So for our solution, let d be the common difference. Using the formula we have, 15 equals a of 1 plus 5 minus 1d. 30 equals a of 1 plus 10 minus 1d. Subtracting the first equation from the second equation, we get 30 minus 15 equals a1 plus 10 minus 1d minus a1 minus 5 minus 1d, 15 equals 9d. So let's divide the both sides by 9. We get d equals 15 over 9, that is 5 over 3. Therefore, the common difference of the arithmetic sequence is 5 over 3.
Arithmetic series is the sum of the terms in arithmetic sequence. It is the sum of a specific number of terms in the sequence. The sum of the arithmetic series can be found using the following formula. Sn equal n divided by 2 times the quantity 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where Sn represent the sum of the first in terms a is the first, terms d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. For example, consider the arithmetic series 3, 7, 11, 15. And this sequence, the first terms a is 3 and the common difference d is 4. Let's say we want to find the sum of the first 5 terms and equal 5. Using the formula, we have Sn equals n divided by 2 times the quantity 2 a plus n minus 1 times d equals 5 divided by 2 times the quantity 2 3 plus 5 minus 1 times 4. Bring down 5 divided by 2 and 2 times 3 equals 6 and 5 minus 1 equals 4 times 4 equal 5 divided by 2 times 6 plus 4 times 4. Bring down 5 divided by 2, copy 6 multiply the 4 times the common difference 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16 equal divided by 2 times 6 plus 16. Bring down 5 divided by 2 and 6 and 16 which is 22 equal 5 divided by 2 times 22. Bring down 5 and divide by 2 and 22 which is 11. So 5 times and 11 and 5. So the sum of the first 5 terms is 55.
Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers in which term is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant ratio. This constant ratio is also known as the common ratio. To find any term in a geometric sequence, you can use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 r to the raised power of n minus 1. In this formula, a sub n represents the nth term of the sequence or the last term. A sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the position of the term you want to find or the number of terms. To solve problems involving geometric sequences, we either need two consecutive terms or the first term and a common ratio. Using the formula, we can easily compute any term in the sequence. So let's begin in our examples. Example number 1. Find the 10th term of the 3, 6, 12, 24. So to find the 10th term of a geometric sequence, we can use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 r to the raised of the power of n minus 1. So we can find the 10th term or the a sub n using this formula. Before we proceed on our problem, let's calculate the common ratio. So common ratio or r equals 6 over 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 is our common ratio. So let's start. A sub n equals a sub 1 r to the power of n minus 1. A sub 10 equals 3 multiplied by 2 to the raised of power of 10 minus 1 equals 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 9. So 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. 32 times 2 equals 64. 64 times 2 equals 128. 128 times 2 equals 256. 256 times 2 equals 512. So let's multiply 512 by 3. So 512 times 3 equals 1536. So our 10th term of this sequence equals 1536.
A geometric series is the sum of the terms in a geometric sequence. It is obtained by adding together all the terms of a geometric sequence. The terms in a geometric series are obtained by adding the terms of a geometric sequence. The sum of a geometric series can be calculated using the formula S sub n equals n times the quantity 1 minus r to the power of n. Example of the geometric sequence. Find the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric sequence. 1, 3, 9, 27. So S of n equal a of 1 times r raised to the power of n negative 1 over r negative 1, where a1 is 1, r is 3, and the sum of the terms is 8. S of 8 equal 1 times 3 raised to the power of 8. So 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 times 3 equal 27. 27 times 3 equal 81. 81 times 3 equal 243. 243 times 3 equal 729. 729 times 3 equal 2187. 2187 times 3 equal 6561. So 6561 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, that is 2. Next, 6561 minus 1 equals 6560. Divided by 2, equal 3,280. So our sum of the first 8 terms is 3,280.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.